and said, if you want to turn back to an ordinary man again, you are going to have to do as I say. I want you to go to King Arthur's court. Well, then all the rest that she said, you will see. The scene changed. And there was King Arthur's court with all the knights revelling and enjoying themselves.
We're going to take Mrs. Bertilac out of the way.
Oh, yes. Off you go, Mrs. Bertilac.
Where's Gawain?
Everyone was enjoying themselves, especially Gawain, who was riding around on his horse. You shouldn't do that indoors.
I thought we changed them so they faced each other, Dizzy. Go on, never mind.
Oh, well, we can do.
Green Knight's not in there yet.
Green Knight, you can go in from the other direction, if you wouldn't mind. You'll have to swap over.
The knock on the door.
Oh.
In comes.
A big knock on the door,
Harry, out the way.
and in came the Green Giant. Oh, sorry, the Green Knight.
Would you like some sweet corn?
Yeah. Love some. I'm just the right colour for it, said Gawain. Shall we trade blows? Gawain said, OK, let's get it over with, I'll chop your head off. And the Green Knight bent down low. Now how are you going to do that? And Gawain took his axe.
This is going to be very difficult.
Slip it off there. And we could slip it over the top of his sword, maybe. I can't do that. Put it there. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Chop!
I think
Bend over the head and.
Chuck the other head on the floor somewhere.
Hello.
It was great, wasn't it?
Oh! I haven't made anything for that. You'll have to make something for home.
No, there's a little slit. There's 2 slits joined together.
Oh, really?
So you can hold it, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, come on, this is high tech.
Right, well, we'll wait a minute then.
You might need to use 2 hands to actually put them together. You'll see the little slit one side and then the other. That's it.
Brilliant. Green Knight picked up his head and said, I'll be back in a year and a day. Come and meet me at the Green Chapel and I'll give you that blow back again, Gawain. Gawain said, oh, do I really have to? I'll get
Things sorted out.
I suppose I'll start looking because I'm not quite sure where the Green Chapel is. And off went Gawain on his horse. You know, you get 2 jobs now. Yes, not nay. Oh.
Yay!
And off they went. They galloped this way and that through the countryside.
Unicorn.
Yeah, they even galloped backwards. Until, after many a day, probably about 362 days, they came to Bertilac's court. And in Bertilac's court, who did they meet, Ali? The ordinary Bertilac.
The ordinary Bertilac.
Oh, the ordinary Bertilac.
Because it was night time. He was only the Green Giant by day.
Oh, right. I've lost it. Where's the ordinary Bertilac gone? Oh, he's already in there.
No, that's the ordinary Sir Gawain.
Is he down on the floor?
Before he changed into a Green Giant.
He's only little.
He's only a little one, isn't he? What? We've lost Bertilac.
He's run away.
Oh,
He really has been
oh,
changed
there he
into a
is.
Green Giant.
There he is.
And Lady Bertilac.
And Lady Bertilac, who was a bit of all right. Very fond of the old kissy is Mrs. Bertilac. They were there, and there was a knock on the door. And Gawain came in and said, "Here, you don't know where the Green Chapel is, do you?" And Bertilac and his missus said, "Oh, yes, we know that. Stay with us for 3 days until you need to go there, and I'll go out hunting," said Bertilac. "I'll go out hunting during the day, and you can have everything I catch as long as I can have everything you get while you're here, resting." "Fair enough," said Gawain. And off went Bertilac the next morning to do some hunting. So Gawain couldn't tell that he turned into the Green Giant. And then Mrs. Bertilac came into the room and said, "Oh, Gawain, you are drop dead gorgeous. You're well fit. Give us a kiss."
I said, no.
"Oh," said Gawain. "Ha, ha, ha. Oh, go away from me. I cannot do anything more." And that night, when Bertilac came back and gave Gawain all of the stuff he'd caught, he'd left it in the fridge, it's all right. Gawain said, "Boy, have I got something for you, Bertilac." And Bertilac said, "Thank you very much. I'm not certain if I'll go hunting tomorrow." Well, I'd better, I suppose. And the next day it was 2 kisses from Mrs. Bertilac. And the next evening it was 2 kisses from Gawain to Bertilac. And then on the last day it was 3 kisses.
And don't forget that amulet. I'm sorry, you just enjoyed the first kiss.
Yeah, the third kiss had to be the best one. And, I think you need an amulet if you're going to meet that green man, said Mrs. Bertilac, and put a special necklace around Gawain's neck that was supposed to prevent his head being chopped off. Well, that evening, Bertilac got 3 kisses from Gawain, but he didn't get the special necklace. Oh dear Gawain, you shouldn't have done that. Because the next day, when Lady Bertilac took Gawain to the Green Chapel. Bertilac out, that's it. Bertilac returned as the Green Knight and said, "Here, bend over, Gawain, I'm going to chop your head off. I'm going to return that blow." Well, we would usually have had the axe there too. But, there we go. Just put it down there. And Gawain bent low, and Bertilac went
That's a good point.
and narrowly missed
You could put the
dear old Gawain's. Could put the axe where?
could put the axe on another stick.
I could put it on another stick, couldn't we? Yeah, that would be an idea. I'll give you an extra stick for that. There's one on the table. And, well, the first blow missed. But the second blow, oh, wow. That missed too, and that was for the second kiss. Or the 2 kisses on the second day. But the third blow took a nick out of the neck of Gawain. That's good, isn't it? Nick out of the neck. "Oh, my neck's nicked," he said. "Why did you do that?" "That was because you didn't give me that necklace," said the Green Knight. But as the blood dripped to the floor, are you ready for this, girls? As the blood dripped and touched the floor of the Green Chapel, the Green Knight turned back into the ordinary Bertilac. The spell was broken. And Bertilac said, "I wish I would be a little bit taller." But Gawain said, "Oh, well, it's all over and done with. I've learnt my lesson. Next time I'll give the necklace back too. But I'll always remember this day, and I'll keep that necklace to remember it. And I'll keep this scar on my neck too," he said, putting on the elastoplast. And that is the end. Now everyone's going to come forward and give a bow now. Can you get everyone back on the stage for a bow? All of them. Including the horse. Pity it wasn't a dog, then it could be a bow wow wow. Got that one too? Right, we're all there. Apart
And
from
horse.
Horse is still absent. There's the horse. Ho ho ho!
Brilliant.
What we haven't got though is applause from the audience.
Oh, sorry.
And the curtain fell. Ow!